Respected Chairperson Dr. Matthew Lijichu, our very special guest today, Dr. Shorozeli Lijichu, our honored guests from Ura Academy, I cannot mention all of you, but everyone from the Ura Academy, my esteemed colleagues from teaching fraternity and administration, Nagaland University Students Union and PhD scholars, media, ladies and gentlemen. What a joy it is to see the Tenyidie department reach its glorious 25th anniversary today. Indeed, it is a time to reflect on our past achievements and celebrate, a time to rethink, refocus, and take forward. The Tenyidie department is a full-fledged department under Nagaland University, a central university, was started in the year 1997. With a vision to address quality education through promotion of Thenyie language, Tenyidie. Ever since its inception, the department has endeavored towards documentation of Naga languages. I think almost all the important languages have been covered, and also authenticate every aspect of Naga ancestral life in general and that of Tenyie in particular. The department is giving due importance to language analysis and to creative writing at various levels, poetry, drama, fiction, and especially research. The various activities carried out under the department are 2-year postgraduate course, PhD program, 6-month certificate course in Tenyidie, 1-year PG diploma course in Tenyidie, and 1-month crash course in spoken Tenyidie. Besides teaching and learning Tenyidie literature, the thrust areas in research are on other Naga tribal literatures, documentation of culture and values, the traditional and ancestral life of the Nagas through oral and written forms. As of now, I believe the department is doing really very well. However, it is important to note that there is always room for improvement and development. So then, let us remind ourselves again today that the indication of development of a people is also the stage of development of their language and literature. The department has had its share of hurdles and problems. It was sidelined and ignored for a very long time. So since the inception and for many years, Professor D. Collier had to run the whole department alone and later on with a contract teacher or two. Looking back, I just can't comprehend how he did it. I remember at one point of time, he came to my room in my office and was sharing with me his problems and the department problems. Being the impulsive person that I am, I told him, why not let your students go on a strike for a week or two or even months so that we might get the attention of the authorities? The cool, calm person that he is, he said he doesn't want to jeopardize the career of his students, nor do he want his students to miss their classes. That's the way Professor Collier is, and he held on to the boat until it was stabilized. With an important institution like Ura Academy and people like Dr. Shorozeli, our elder, advisor, teacher, and so on in the background, and Professor D. Collier in the system, the Tenyidie department has progressed so much today. The department has produced more than 300 postgraduates, 329 dissertations, 7 PhDs, and many of the alumni are now serving in schools and colleges. Today, the department is like an archive where mostly all the tribes, languages, and cultural ways are documented, which is and will be a source of knowledge for future generations to come. For tomorrow, I dream of a very big, fully developed department with 50 or more faculties and hundreds of students. Or maybe even a university, where students come from all over the world to learn our language and our rich way of life. I, on behalf of the university, wish the Tenyie department a very happy 25th anniversary. May God bless Tenyidie department. Thenyie, and all of us. Thank you.